Tapos na ako maglinis sa room namin guys at saka sa mga bata. Natapos ko na rin maglinis ng bathroom ni Samantha. Ayan. At saka pinalitan ko yung room ni Shelton ng cortina. Temporary lang yun guys kasi bibili pa ako ng cortina, yung blackout na cortina para hindi mainit yung room nila. So yan, malinis na yung room niya. Ito naman kay Samantha. Baba na ako guys kasi nagawa ako ng milkshake. So ito guys, tapos na yung milkshake ko. Yan pa yung kalat ko guys. Oh. So dito kami ni Sawyer umupo. Minom siya ng milkshake. Ako din. So ang kanya oh. Masarap siya guys. Mango milkshake. Meron pa akong milkshake dito oh. Relax na ako ngayon guys kasi tapos na ako maglinis ng taas. Mamaya naman hugas naman ako ng pinggan. Lalagay ko sa dishwasher. Darating yung friend ni Shelton ito mag-sleep over. Sawyer! Ayaw niya pa disturbo guys. Simot guys. Ang mango milkshake. Masarap siya yung milkshake. Masarap na milkshake. Mango milkshake. Ida-draft off ko sila guys sa pool. At kaibigan ni Shelton. Para maligo daw sila sa swimming pool. Kami hindi maliligo kasi mainit.
Mom, can you close the door?
Okay. So guys, nakauwi kami dahil may lightning. So hindi kasi pwedeng magpa-swimming sila tapos may kidlat, 'di ba? So mag-open sila guys ng 5 o'clock. At ngayon ay close pa sila dahil sa lightning. So sad to say, si Shelton ay hindi makapag-swimming at saka yung friend niya. So sabi nila mamaya na lang daw mga 5 o'clock. So dito na kami sa bahay guys. Kasi maglilinis pa ako ng kitchen. At saka magluluto pa ako ng dinner mamaya-maya. Ayan na naman. Dumating na naman. No. So, natapos na ako guys. Salamat at makaupo na rin ako at makapagpahinga. Malinis na ang kitchen. Wala na akong hugasan. O, diba? What happened? At itong isang bata basa. Naglaro ng tubig. Maya guys, magluluto rin ako ng aming dinner. So ito guys, yung in-order ng asawa ko. Dito. Okay, let's put it in the fridge now. Faster.
The raisin bread.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can put strawberries in the fridge.
No, put the strawberry inside.
Alright.
Where's your shoes? Go find the shoes. Okay, Shelton, take it off in the box. Take it off in the box. Shh, good job. Come on.
I thought I heard the police.
Put all the fruits inside the house. May pasok na lahat, guys. So guys, sa wakas tapos na rin ako magluto ng aming hapunan. So ito guys ang aming kakainin. So mayroong steamed broccoli, tapos may corn, tapos may mac and cheese, baked ribs, tapos may potato, tsaka may salad. So, ito yung kakainin namin for dinner. Are you guys hungry?
Not really.
Not really? How about you, Sawyer? Ako nagugutom ako, guys. Naligo pa yung asawa ko. Pero gutom na ako. So, kakain ako. At saka si Sawyer. Ayun, nagtago. So, kain mo kami, guys, ng hapunan. So, ito, guys. Kakain kami ni Sawyer. Ayan, si Sawyer. Ito yung food ko, guys. Broccoli, rice, tsaka ribs, tsaka mais. So, kain tayo, guys. Kamay lang ako, guys. Super lambot, guys. Broccoli. Gutom din si Sawyer. Ang suda. Yummy.
Is this white potato?
There's butter there.
How do I get this? The ribs?
Look at this slice.
Oh. Here we go.
Wakain daw si Samantha.
Mommy, I'm still cleaning my room and eating it. I'm still cleaning my room.
Good. No! Ayan, kakain din si Sam. What did you eat, Sam? Ribs?
Corn, mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. So, dito kami guys sa drive-thru ng Dairy Queen kasi nag-crave kami ng ng ice cream. Masarap ang ice cream nila dito guys sa Dairy Queen. Sawyer, do you like ice cream? What's that? Airplane. Tada siya ng airplane pero wala naman makita. Dark clouds naman. So, hinihintay lang namin guys kasi sobrang mahaba yung pila ng drive-thru nila. So, ayun pa guys. Oh. Hanggang doon yan sa dulo. Yung front namin is ito. So, diba? Drive-thru guys. Dito na naghintay pa kami guys sa ice cream namin kasi Prepare pa nila. So, pero nakabayad na kami, guys. This baby. What is that? Ice cream.
Oh no! The baby has to go in the... Okay.
Is that Oreo?
Yeah.
Oreo ice cream. Ice cream. Give me ice cream. He's so excited.
Sissy, give him a taste, Sissy. Give him a taste, Sissy.
Ice cream. Give me ice cream. Sissy. Don't hold it.
Don't
Just
hold it. Here. No holding. Here. No holding.
Mmm. Mmm, yummy. Mmm.
No holding.
ito na sa amin, guys. Peanut parfait. Ice cream. Mommy's ice cream. Pareho kami ng asawa ko, guys, na in order. So, pauwi na kami, guys. Doon namin ito kakainin.
I haven't even started eating mine yet. So I'll wait till we get home.
Harap, guys.